Hello friends, welcome back to SQL with Manoj. Today in this video we'll see how to move tempdb to another drive. So tempdb is a SQL Server system database that is used to store temporary information or temporary system objects that user creates, like temporary tables, table variables, temporary stored procedures, etc. Also some temporary objects that SQL Server engine creates, like work tables or row versioning or something. So at times there is a need for when there is a heavy processing, so at times there is a need to move tempdb from a default location to a new location where it can expand and get enough room. So today we'll see how we can move this temp database to another drive. In my previous video we saw how to move a user database. So you moving a user database was different, but it involves 2-3 steps to take the database offline, move the files manually, then using the alter database statement to move the mdf ldf file and store it in the database catalog, then setting it online. But with tempdb it's not like that. You just have to specify an alter statement. So tempdb, and whenever the SQL Server services are restarted, the tempdb will automatically move, because tempdb is always dropped and created whenever SQL Server services are restarted or stopped and started. So you don't have to manually move the files here and there. Okay, so first of all what we'll do is we'll just see where are the what is the current physical location of tempdb. So to get that, what I can do is select a star from tempdb dot sys dot database underscore files. So this will give me the tempdb information. Okay, so these are the two files that my tempdb currently use, and these are the, so the database name is tempdb, but the data file name is tempdev, and the log file name is templog, and this is the default location, as my SQL Server is also installed on this particular location. Now I have to just use the alter database statement, okay, like this, and copy the database name over here. Alter database tempdb, modify file name. What is the name for the first file? It is tempdb, it's tempdev, and the file name is this. So new file location is my again old location that I used here. It is E drive and this particular folder, and I will copy this section over here and repeat it for my log file. So temp log file is this. Okay, the temp for dev file, it is just tempdb.mdf. For log file it is templog dot this thing, and the file name is this. Okay, so you just need these two alter statements. So as soon as you execute them, right, so it says that the changes have been modified in system catalog, but the new path will be used the next time database is started. Okay, let me check the path again to show you that in system catalog the path has changed. Now the path is this, you can see here. Now it is pointing to E drive. Okay, but it says that the changes will take place when your SQL Server will get started. So to restart SQL Server, you have to go to services.msc, and here just type S. You will reach here SQL Server and just do a restart. So it will stop the service and start the service, and as soon as you start the service, you will see here in the new location the tempdb files are copied automatically. So here, if I'll do this again, so this was already done there, but the files were not moved here logically. So now the files are moved here logically as well, because for tempdb, whenever you do a SQL Server restart or you restart the service, the tempdb files are dropped and the tempdb is freshly created. So this is how you can move tempdb from one database to another database. So in my next videos I will talk more about moving system databases. So please stay tuned, and please like the video, please let me know your comments, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.